build anything with Python. Python is one of the most versatile language and one of the most used language, and is used for a lot of things, right? So we're going to explore what is Python and the things that you can use Python to do, right? So we know Python is a programming language, one of the most versatile programming language, right? So you can use it to do from AI automation, to unlock the full power of the world's most versatile language. So now let's explore Python. Now, Python is a language that does it all. Python is a language that does it all. Now, these are the reason why Python is one of the most versatile language. Number one, is the most used language. In 2024, it was recorded in Stack Overflow to have been the most used programming language, right? And also it has a large libraries ecosystem. You understand? So it has about 300,000 libraries. So there are a lot of libraries you can install for different tasks, right? And also 30 million plus developers make use of it worldwide. 30 million plus developers. So you can see how wide that is. Then it has 15 years plus community growth, right? 15 years plus community growth. And one of the advantage also is that it has a very readable syntax. Python is one of the language where you can actually write code in plain text. It's not as complex as other programming language like C++ and Java, right? It's very plain and very simple to understand. It has a huge ecosystem and also cross-platform. It runs on Windows, Mac, Linux, cloud servers, and even micro servers, right? So what can you build with Python? Now we'll talk about 6 domains where Python is used, right? So the first one is AI and machine learning. So Python is used in AI and machine learning to train models, classify images, build recommendation engines, process language, right? And secondly, Python is also widely used in web development using framework like Django, Flask, Fast API. So you can use it for especially back-end development, right? Using Django, Flask, Fast API. It is scalable. And it's very good in building dashboards and full stack application. And it's also used in data science. Using libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. So crunch millions of rows, visualize trend, and derive actionable insights. So you can see that Python is also using data science, right? So it's also using automation and scripting. Those that are into DevOps will understand better what automation and scripting is all about, right? So it's also used in cybersecurity, right? Python is used in cybersecurity for penetration testing, network scanners, encryption utility, and CTF solution. And lastly, Python also shines in game and desktop application using libraries like Pygame, Tkinter, PyQt, and is used to build 2D games, GUI tools, and cross-platform desktop application. So 3 lines to hello world your first real project. So these are where you can get started with Python. Very easy way. Firstly, you have to install Python, right? So you download it from python.org. It's free and just take about 2 minutes. And also you choose your code editor. I will recommend Visual Studio Code, but if you can use PyCharm, it's better because PyCharm was built specifically for Python, right? It's built specifically for Python, but I will recommend Visual Studio Code for its simplicity and large ecosystem. So also, yeah, the next thing you do after installing Python and then choosing an editor is to run your script. So you open your terminal and type hello world.py and hit enter. So it's like you're creating a file, right? So the next thing you do is to use pip install, right? So pip is called I think is a Python manager, right? It's Python manager used to install Python packages, right? So you can use pip install to install any library. So pip install the name of the library, right? So in my next video, I'm going to do a video how to get started with Python, right? How to get started with Python, installing the Python, choosing. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe.